I'm on my way home from a jog, and I imagine I look like a mess. I don't know, but somewhere in my 40s, it seemed like my face started sweating more. I guess it's because I got more face. And I've always sweated a lot though. But at times it feels like it's just pouring rain and crying at the same time. I'm not sure, it just seems like it. But today I just wanted to share a thought because I was out on a particular route that I run, and I wanted to take a road that I have ran in the past because I felt like I could take it today. I felt like I could run it. And I got to that point, and long before that point actually, I felt like the Lord just dropped the route in mind that I needed to take. And of course, with me, it generally winds up being running by a particular church. And so I thought about that earlier in the run, running by this other route with a church. And then when I got to the point of that road, I just had this great temptation to take it. And so then after it was over, well, first of all, I had to realize I couldn't, because I didn't feel like the Lord led me to do that. He led me to take the route that He had showed me already. So after it was over, I stopped running and I'm walking on my way home, and it just dropped in my heart. How many times do we feel like we're ready for a battle that God never asked us to fight? You see, that road that I wanted to take is one that I've actually tripped on, banged up my leg and elbows, both legs and elbows, and I'm just ready to take vengeance on that route, take it out on it. In fact, there was a time not long ago that I was already bruised up and beaten, and I felt like I could take it, and I didn't take it again for some reason. I felt like I needed to cut my route short or do a different route, and today I had the same thing. But you know, I was thinking on the way home, I thought, the word says in the Lord's Prayer, give us this day our daily bread. And see, there's an and there, and that and is pretty important because we often think of, what do we need today? Well, that's an important prayer to pray, but Jesus said, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil, or deliver us from the evil one. And so our ways every day are just as important as our daily bread. I don't know what was laying down that road for me today. It was just a crack in the pavement that I tripped over the one day. Who knows what was laying down that road for me last time I wanted to go down that road. But just because I feel like I got the power to do it today, or I feel like I'm all, in our language, all prayed up and ready to go on Monday, doesn't mean that we're ready to go conquer those demons that God revealed to us on Sunday. He may have us wait for a little while longer. He may want us to build up our stamina, take a couple more routes, run some other laps, get ready, and He'll lead us day by day. Hope you enjoy your day this day. Hope you enjoy your week.